There you are. All right, come here, Carolina. Your Jane, go over there. So you can see, that's what bears look like when they're defending their territory.
Put your head in on it right now. It's like falling.
Jane. Here, Jane. Look up here. Jane, Jane. There you go. Jane over there. There you go, Carolina. Yum, yum, yum. Come here, Jane. Go over there. There you go. Yeah, Carolina. The clumps, oh, my bad. The clumps of fur that are on their back is the leftovers of their winter coat. So these two bears are a little older and it's taken them a little longer to shed their coats. So the other bears look a little better. This yummy Carolina. Now Carolina is 16 this year, so she's a little bit younger. Most bears live around 30 years in captivity. So you can tell that Jane being 27, she's definitely a much older bear.